Hi all, today we can discuss annuity role play. Here the setting is a GP clinic. You are speaking to a 45-year-old man who has come to the clinic for a routine checkup. He is traveling to Cambodia next month for work and GP has asked you to advise him on recommended immunization before international travel. Ask, find out about his vaccination history, tetanus, hepatitis A, influenza. Explain that he needs to get vaccinated against typhoid, hepatitis A and tetanus. Cambodia is a medium risk country, so it is recommended by WHO. Explain and emphasize the importance of getting vaccination before traveling. Tetanus once in 10 years. Combined vaccination for hepatitis A and typhoid and a booster dose after 6 months. Then reassure him that the vaccinations are not painful. Here you can start your role play by saying, "Good morning, please have your seat. My name is Sarah. I am one of the registered nurses working in this clinic." Then you can ask, "How may I address you?" Let's assume the name is Mr. John. Then you can ask question like, "Okay, Mr. John, I have some notes regarding you and your general practitioner has referred you to this clinic because you are traveling abroad. Is that right?" Probably the patient may tell you like, "Yes, sister, I am traveling to Cambodia." Then you can ask next question like, "Could you tell me about your travel plan so that I can help you out?" Probably the patient may tell you like, "It's sister, it's for 3 weeks and I'll be traveling by the end of next month." Then as per our first task, we need to ask questions like details about his vaccination history. So you can ask question like, for that you can ask question like, "Mr. John, your general practitioner has told me regarding your immunization before international travel." Probably as per the interlocutor's card, he may tell you like, "Why should I take vaccination before travel? Is it necessary?" Then we need to explain that he needs to get vaccination against tetanus, hepatitis A and typhoid because Cambodia is a medium risk country as per the World Health Organization. So you can tell him like, "Mr. John, Cambodia is a medium risk country. That's why World Health Organization has recommended vaccination for all the people who are planning to visit Cambodia. You know, Mr. John, in this country, when you go, there are chances of getting a lot of infection, even communicable disease. So, I would recommend you to get your vaccination status." Sometimes he may agree with you and he may explain about his vaccination status. If he doesn't agree with you and sometimes he may tell you like, "Sister, I will stay in a 5-star hotel and I'm not going to interact with local people. So I don't think it's needed." Then again we need to explain him like, "Mr. John, I would like to tell you this vaccine is very important because you are going to this country. Definitely you will come in contact with any sort of infection. So in order to prevent that infection, I would suggest you to take this vaccination before travel. Is that okay?" And you can tell him like, "You don't need to take all vaccination. There are certain vaccination that you need to take. Before that, I would like to get a vaccination history. Could you tell me what all vaccine you have taken?" Then probably as per the interlocutor's card, he may tell you like, "Sister, this year I took flu vaccine and when I was a kid, I have taken all other vaccines." And as per our fourth task, we need to tell him like tetanus once in 10 years, combined vaccination for hepatitis A and typhoid now, then a booster dose after 6 months. So you can tell him like, "Mr. John, since you have taken your vaccination in childhood, I would recommend or I would suggest you to have another 1 more dose. For people who are going to travel Cambodia, it's really mandatory to take this vaccine like tetanus, typhoid and hepatitis A." Then you can tell him like, "You know, Mr. John, tetanus vaccination needs to be updated once every 10 years and it's very important that you are vaccinated against tetanus because it is a dangerous and fatal disease. Nowadays, we can give combined vaccination for hepatitis A and typhoid. Please make sure that you take the booster dose of this combined vaccination after 6 months. You can ask him like, if you don't mind, can I give you the vaccine today? Then probably as per the interlocutor's card, he won't agree with you. He may tell you like, sister, I'm scared of injection. Then we need to reassure him. Then as per our last task, we need to reassure him that vaccinations are not painful. So you can say like, I certainly understand your worries about injection. Most of the people have a sort of fear about injection, but it's for the sake of your health. And Mr. John, the pain is just like an ant bite and it will last only for a second. Is that okay? Or you can ask, are you okay with injection? Probably as per the interlocutor's card, he may agree with you. Then you can tell him like, I really appreciate you for taking up this decision. And you can wind up by saying, do you have any other concerns? Or you can ask, is there anything else I can help you? If there is no other concerns, you can tell him like, thank you for listening to me. Please wait here. I will get the injections for you and I wish you a safe journey. In this way, you can wind up your role play. Thank you.